Boys finally back home, guys. About to take the S2000 out real quick. It's such a nice day. Yo, I missed you. I missed you so much. Whew. It's been a minute. Oh yeah, started right up. No gas in here though. Ice. Ice. Alright, your boy got gas. We out. So clean. She's aired up right now, don't worry about it, but she looks so good. Look at the taillights. What's good, squad? So your boy's finally off work, man. It is beautiful weather outside today, and I'm thinking about pulling the Grom out for a little bit. Haven't ridden the Grom in like 2 weeks, but today is like so perfect out. But I'm also thinking about hitting up a car meet tonight. I think there's gonna be one at the Willowbrook Mall, and there's gonna be one at Clifton Models. But the one in Clifton always gets shut down, so I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna go to that one or not. I used to like going to the one that used to be at the Willowbrook Mall, but used to be at Chipotle. That shit used to be clucking back in the day, like when I first started out, and it kind of killed it. But now they're having it at Dave & Buster's because it just opened up at Dave & Buster's there, so might be pulling up to that meet tonight. Because I was about to say we might be pulling out tonight, but your boy doesn't pull out. No, I'm playing. But I'm about to grab the Grom, pull it out, and then see where we go with this today. I didn't put the GoPro on. Honestly, I forgot it, and just don't feel like going back to go get it, so whatever. So pretty. She's so pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna pull the Grom out for a little bit and just rip it around, you know what I mean? Get the little oils and stuff flowing. Nice tank, full of tank of gas in there, so why not, right? So hopefully we end up going to the car meet tonight and everything goes as planned, because I want to get some more footage of the New Jersey like lifestyle, and you know, I've been thinking of some cool topics and things to come up with while I'm at work, and I'm just gonna put it all to play, man. So you guys just gotta stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to your boy. So as you guys can see, right, my shifter lever right here, it came off. Jesus Christ. Probably sweating mega hard right now, but it's hot as hell. But as I was riding, I looked down to shift again, and the shifter lever is off. I don't know where it fell, but whatever. I'm gonna just put the stock ones back on, because when I bought the bike, it came with that, but he also had the stock rear sets. So I'm just gonna put those on, because those rear sets that's on it right now is dumb cheap, bro. Dumb cheap. So I'm gonna just take it off and put the OEM ones back. Start up the whip.
What is that?
That's the do-rag. It's my do-rag.
What else is that?
There's nothing else here. Your boy just made it out to the meet, man. S2000 sitting there looking mighty fine. Look, we got another black S2000 out here with the roll cage and everything. Black on black, that's type tough. Also got the drilled and slotted rotors too. It's pretty clean. This car makes me want to get myself a roll cage. It's an AP1 too. Nice little Supra here. It's clean. With the CR Kais. Juicy. I need that. I need that. I need that in my life. Give me a nice little two-step. That should have been nuts. I think I'll do that shit all the time too. Sounds like a motorcycle. GTR? S2000 to pull me over will stop me. What's good, squad? So your boy's finally home, man. California was so much fun, yo. Like, you guys showed me so much love out there. I couldn't believe it. You know, and being out there really motivated me to want to keep pushing with my YouTube channel. Seeing the Eliminate guys and seeing TJ Hunt and seeing Dustin Williams and like a couple other YouTubers that were there, and like how they had people like surrounding them and, you know, so much love and support. It just made me want to push my like YouTube career so much further. So I just want to say, like, thank you to everyone who's been subscribing to your boy. Thank you to everybody who's been watching my videos, faithfully clicking into these videos every single day. We can only go up from here. We're on the road to 9,000. We're like 200 away. I just want to say thank you guys for the support. Honestly, like, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys. And for the people who DM me all the time asking me about YouTube videos or how can I start my own channel or, you know, anything of that nature, all I gotta say to you guys is, man, just be consistent, stay consistent, and anything you want will come your way. So with that being said, guys, your boy's out. If you guys have any kind of videos that you want to see, please comment down below and let me know. Alright, let's get these comments back up booming. Let's get these likes up. Alright, and make sure you guys share, tag a friend, tell a friend. You already know what it is. Phyllis 2K Squad, we out.
I beat him, when they lock low Kodak up, my nigga, I couldn't believe it. Hello, shorty, on my road, box up a Nokia poking, yo, hit it from the back, let it be a bleeding, said that I knocked through period on. Mama, when I had that poker, still looking on my shoulder, fussing with a nigga, no Yoda, that mean a young nigga.